If you've ever traveled on Interstate 80 across the state of Nebraska, then you've seen this. In fact, you've more than just seen this, you've passed right under it. The official name for this structure is the Great Platte River Road Archway Monument, but most people just call it the Kearney Arch or the Kearney Archway since it's so close to the city of Kearney, Nebraska. Hey, thanks again for watching. I'm Jeff, and this is the Backroads Tourist Channel. Countless vehicles pass under the arch every day, but those few travelers who pull off at exit 275 are in for a treat. Before people traveled through this area on Interstate 80, they traveled on the Great Platte River Road, the Lincoln Highway, the Oregon Trail, and the Mormon Trail. When you step into the archway, you step back in time and see how this area has progressed. Once you buy your tickets, you're given a device that will help you learn more about what you're seeing. Press a button and hold it up to your ear and let the learning begin. It all starts with a ride up an escalator past pioneers heading west in search of a better life. The lower level covers the history and hardships of the settlers, mountain men, pioneers, and Pony Express riders who moved through this area. After that, there's a nod to the Transcontinental Railroad. Hey, if you like this video, prove it to the world by hitting the like button. And since you're already tapping on your keyboard, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the Backroads Tourist Channel. I have so many fun, weird, and quirky places I'm visiting, and I want to take you along. If you click that notification bell, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos, and I try to do that every Friday. Now, back to the Archway. It's up a flight of stairs or elevator if you prefer to the first roads and automobiles that came through the area. You'll see recreations of the old Lincoln Highway, roadside camping, a drive-in movie theater, a roadside diner, and much more. Once you've walked through the upper level, you head down again where kids can pan for treasures. You can also visit a small art gallery and, of course, leave your name in the guest book. In true roadside attraction fashion, you exit through the gift shop, and this is a pretty good one. You'll find everything from cheap trinkets to high-end pieces of artwork. Now, once you leave the monument, make sure you take a few minutes to wander through the gardens and see some interesting sculptures. There's also a very nice picnic area if you want to take an extra break before you continue on your journey. So now you know what's inside that huge monolith that spans I-80 just east of Kearney. It's well worth the visit, especially if you're a history buff. Hey, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the back roads.